Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make the perfect Nigerian Milky chin chin. Imagine those irresistible, crunchy, golden bites that bring smiles to every gathering. We are going to unlock that magic together, right here, right now. So get ready to impress yourself and everyone around you with this homemade goodness this festive period. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Start by sieving the flour. So get your mixing bowl and your sieve, okay? Next is the flour. So you measure out the quantity you'll be using. For this recipe, we'll be making use of 1 kg of it. So we start by adding them bit by bit, okay? This is how you go about it. Sieve it so you get a smoother flour to work with, okay? Please, if you do have big sieve, you don't have to go batch by batch just like me. Just pour everything and sieve at once, okay? But this is the last batch though. Like I said earlier, this is 1 kg. You can do more or less, alright? Alright guys, this is it. We are done sieving. Now, look at how smooth it is looking. Can you see that? Smooth. Okay, let's move on to the next step. This is the time to incorporate or mix in the other dry ingredients. So start by getting your mixing spoon, your spatula, basically anything you can work with, yes, easily. First, we are going in with our sugar. This is 1/2 cup of sugar. You can do more by increasing it to 1 cup, but that is if you want it more sugary. Next is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Skip it if you're using self-rising flour, okay? Next is our all-purpose spices. You can use nutmeg, yes. Next is our salt, a teaspoon of salt. Now, you mix everything together. You can use your whisk. Yeah, just make sure everything is well incorporated. Alright guys, it is time to introduce our butter. This is 250 grams of butter. You can melt it, yes, but we are using it this way. Just go ahead and pieces it so it can be easy to work with. Now mix it in like so until it resembles breadcrumbs. Okay, this is how it should look once you're done. Now it is time to introduce the wet ingredient. We're going to be making use of 2.5 cup of evaporated milk. Oh yes, so you go bit by bit, don't pour everything at once. That way you can mix and control it easily. Milk here is the star ingredient to this recipe, so do not skip it for anything. Remember, it is Milky chin chin we are making. Now mix, bring them together and knead, just like so. For easy and fast result, it is best we transfer it on a worktop or surface like table, island, yes. And now that we've transferred the dough on a work surface, we're going to knead, okay, until the dough is smooth. Just continue watching. Hello, you that is meeting my video for the first time. You're welcome. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops and snacks. So if it sounds interesting to you, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you become part of the family. Thank you. Now let's cover it and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Okay? Alright guys, after 20 minutes, it is time to move on to the next stage. Grab one of the dough and place on your worktop. Please make sure you floor your worktop and your rolling pin, okay? Alright, so once you've done that, now roll it all out, yes. Use your rolling pin to roll it all out, maintaining a circular or triangular shape. Yes. Use your knife to cut out the shape or the pizza cutter. Yes, if you have, just like so. Now, go horizontally and vertically just to get the exact chin shape we are going for. Okay? Just like you're watching on the screen. We don't want this video too lengthy. That is why I'm just going to show you guys with this one. All you need to do is to watch closely, okay? And repeat the same with the remaining doors, okay? Let me seize this medium to appreciate all my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you for coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate. And I also want to apologize for not being posting for a while now. Yes. Please forgive your girl. And we are back now, okay? All right. So, guys, look at how it is looking. Can you see that? Make sure you sprinkle some flour on it to get it separated. We don't want it to stick together. All right. It is time to move on to the next stage, which is frying them, okay? So get your oil and your pan ready. Now, in a pan, go in with your oil. Please use a very good oil, preferably olive oil, yes, because this is deep fry. We're going to be deep frying them. So it's best you use good oil, okay? Once it is heated, you introduce the chin, okay? We are going to fry in batches. Yeah, you don't overcrowd it. Go batch by batch so it doesn't stick together, okay? All right. Afterwards, you stir it. You have to stir continuously. If not, it's going to get burned, all right? And we do not want that. If you have watched to this extent, you have done noble. I appreciate you, honestly. I also would like you to like this video, give it a thumbs up, so that others can see it and as well learn, okay? Thank you. All right, guys. At this point, it is looking like what we want. Fry it until it is golden brown, just like this, okay? It depends on you though. If you do not want it to be that golden, you don't fry it to this extent. As simple as that. All right, it is time to get them off the oil. It is advisable to place them in a grater or a sieve, yeah, something like that, just to drain out the excess oil. All right, just like this one I'm using. Now we are through with the first batch. This is how you continue, okay, until you exhaust it all. Keep an eye on it. Continuously stir because it can easily get burnt. Okay. All right, guys, look at that. Oh my word, it is creamy luxury, milky. Can you see this goodness, guys? Oh, you will love it. Give it a try, okay? All right, guys, this is the second batch. Yeah, all done. Okay, like I said, we don't want this video too lengthy. It's beginning to get lengthy, so we're cutting out some parts, right? So this is the second batch. This is how you continue, I repeat, until you are through with it. All right, let's get it off the oil as well. All right, guys, this is a simple way you can make your milky chin. Okay, and we've come to the end of today's video. If you found it interesting, please help me share it, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.